Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We're in a special new listing here in beautiful West Orlando in between MetroWest and Windermere, right off of Old Winter Garden Road. We have a beautiful 3-2, just over 1,300 square foot home with a massive pool, huge yard, lots of upgrades. Let's go check it out. Right when we enter the home, we have a nice open atrium deal here with the ceiling. We have upgraded floors, new paint. We have the master bedroom suite off to the right and the 2-car garage, which you can see there. And then we have the family room that opens up into the dining area. And then we have 2 bedrooms over here with a full bathroom. And then we flow into the kitchen where we have several upgraded cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, so ready for you to make it home without having to do anything. Let's go check out the pool. Okay, so now we enter the covered pool deck. Nice covered porch here, as well as the screened-in pool and spa. And so plenty of space here for entertaining guests. It's like a whole nother addition to the house, so it makes it feel much bigger. We have a fully fenced backyard here with lots of space. Perfect for kids to play, as you can see, or pets, and even some extra space here as well. So did I mention the brand new roof, which was just installed last week? So many upgrades this house has to offer. You got to come check it out in person. Give us a call, numbers on the screen, talk to your own realtor, and we'll see you here real soon. Again, my name is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. See you soon.